Karibu kwa tutorial ya ETABS. ETABS ni software ambayo inafanya structure analysis na design. Inaweza ikadesign concrete, steel na timber. Leo tutakuwa tuna design concrete. Kutengeneza new model, unakuja kwenye this icon new model, au unaenda kwenye file and then new model, au this is Control N, it's a shortcut. You click that, unafungua new model. Unapofungua new model, kitu cha kwanza you need to do setup. Setup unaweza ukatumia user default setting. Hapa ni kwa mzoefu utakuwa umesetting your default, au unaweza ukause setting from another model or another file, au unatumia built-in settings na nyingine ambazo utazichange. Hapa unachagua unit, tutatumia SI unit. Sisi leo tutadesign concrete kwa kutumia BS. Kwa hiyo section database haituhusu wala steel design code haituhusu. Leo sisi tutatumia concrete design code ambayo ni BS 8110 ya mwaka 97. Unaweza kutumia kodi nyingine kama uko interested nazo. Hizi hapo. Okay. Click that. Hapa kuna template mbalimbali. Two-way ribbed slab, waffle slab, flat slab, flat slab with perimeter beams, staggered truss, steel deck and so forth. Sisi leo tutaanza na grid only, lakini grid only customize. Actually ni 4 stories. Our bottom story is a bit taller, just 4 meters, and each way has 5 meters. And the number of stories, it is 4. Number of grid in X direction and Y direction will determine how many bays we want. I just want 3 bays in X direction, so it is 4. And in Y direction, I just want 2 bays, which I need 2 grids, 3 grids. Also, here you can customize the grids more. You click custom grid spacing and then edit. You see they are equally spaced. If we want maybe this bay to be of different size, I come here, display grid data spacing, and the spacing of grid B, that means BC, the length BC. What will it be? Let's make it a bit shorter, which is 4. You see here it has been changed. Okay. Click OK. And then OK. Your model is being generated. Once we have our model, we have to define the sections we are going to use. We are going to use slabs, we are going to use beams, also we are going to use arms. You come here and define the sections. Section properties, sections or slab section. We start with the slab. We are going to add a new property of slab. Its name, we are going to call it my slab. And the strength of the concrete we are going to use is not available here, so we add new material. We are using Euro code, so we have to go to this Euro and let's import material of 25 to 30. According to your material, you must perform some laboratory tests to determine the actual strength of your material. After that, you come here and modify this unit. This one, you come here and modify them. You see here, you come and modify its unit weight, you modify it, mass per unit, volume you modify, and so forth, according to what you have chosen here to specify. Yeah, you choose and specify. So here we are going to leave them as they are. We have this one. We are going to click OK and assign it here. Assign it there. And our shell is actually thick, it's not thin. And it's of properties, just slab. Slab means a plain slab. If it's a drop, we could say it is a drop. If it is ribbed, we could say it is ribbed. And if we change here, you see there are more parameters added. Kwa hiyo ni slab, depth yake ni milimita 200 kama unavyoona. Nimechagua hii kwa sababu span yetu kidogo ni kubwa, mita 5. Okay, kwa hiyo tunaweza tukaangalia kitu kingine hapa tayari. Just click OK. Click OK. You are done. You are going to define other member, those member which will consist our frame, which is columns and beams. You come here on the type drop down, you select concrete rectangular. Maybe if you had an L or a T beam, would deselect, but we are going to just use rectangular. We have our predefined beams and columns. Let's have a look on them. And we are showing modify property. You see it is beam of 500 by 375. Okay, we can go with that, but let's change its property to the material to comply with ours. And you should come here, property modifier, special to reinforcement, and check. We are going to design using M3 only for beam. This is very important. And you come here to the material, you just change the bars. We add the new material. We don't haven't defined the material for bars. We add new material here. Material we want to steel, and we are going to use the S450. We are going to leave everything as it is. So we assign it there and assign it there, and we are good to go. But let's change the cover. Put the 30 cover, 3 hours. Fire resistance. Click OK. We have our beams nicely set. We come to our column and modify the property. You could define a new, but we can use the existing. 355. We change the material here. I get concrete and they come here and make sure it is selected column. Change that one. Change that one. And change that one. This one you can leave with as a year. Okay. So we've finished the first part. We will define our material to be used and the section which are going to be used. In next part, we will do the actual modeling of our building. Thank you.